How to deploy Base44 app on AWS. In this video, I'll show you how you can deploy your Base44 app to AWS. So to get started, go ahead and head over into Base44 and head over into the Apps tab. And then from here, select an app that you want to deploy on AWS. And then from here, go ahead and click on this export button to the left side of the share button, and then select export project as zip. So make sure to prepare your Base44 app. So you need to export all of the files that you have for the specific project to your device. And to be able to do that, you need to upgrade your account to Builder, Pro Elite, or Enterprise plan. So once you have upgraded your account, you can go ahead and export the zip file. And then once you have exported the zip file, go ahead and unzip the file. Now, once you have unzipped the file, head over into AWS. And then on AWS, go ahead and set up an infrastructure. So create an EC2 instance, create an EC2 on your account, and then from that EC2 instance, go ahead and configure the security groups to allow HTTP or HTTPS traffic. And then after that, install the required run times depending on your Base44 app, and then deploy the app. So upload your app files or Docker image to that instance, and then run the app using pm2, systemd, or Docker. For Elastic Beanstalk, zip your app and deploy via the AWS Management Console. Now, after that, assign an Elastic IP or use AWS Load Balancer for stable access, and then set up Route 53 if you want a custom domain. Now, connect Base44 integrations via AWS services like RDS or S3, and enable auto-scaling and CloudWatch monitoring for performance and reliability. Use IAM rules for secure access and regularly update your EC2 instance and dependencies. Set up Cloud Watch alarms and AWS backup. And that is how you can basically deploy Base44 app on AWS. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.